Welcome to Chelsea Cosmetic. I'm Dr. Evyatar. We're going to be talking about some of the new technology that we have to offer today. ThermiRF is from a company called ThermiAesthetics, and it uses radio frequency, RF, but is delivered in a new way. And the idea of ThermiRF is to deliver the radio frequency energy, the heat energy, underneath the skin rather than through the skin. And that's what really makes this technology revolutionary, because it's kind of a bridge. It's not surgical and it's not completely non-surgical, in the sense that you're going to get more of a surgical type of result with a much less invasive, much less downtime, much less expensive type of procedure. ThermiTight is ideal for this patient because if you look at her profile, if you look at her jawline, you can see that she's got a lot of laxity, a little bit of fat, and she really needs definition of the jawline. She has great bone structure, good cheekbone structure, good proportion, but really she's got some sagging. So combining this technology with filler is a non-invasive way to make her look entirely natural and more youthful. So it's a slow, gradual improvement, which is nice because nobody sees you as drastically different. You know, it's really kind of you're just looking slowly better and better, similar to Sculpture or other products that we've used that grow collagen. This is the ThermiTight procedure, and what we've done is given her anesthesia here, so she's completely numb. And what we're doing is we're heating up this area, and we've set the temperature on the machine in order to heat up the tip of the probe. And then we're following the skin temperature with the infrared camera that's showing us the amount of heat delivered to an area. So I can very safely administer the heat to the area that I want, and I'm looking at her photo so I can see exactly where the jowling is, what areas I want to treat with more heat that have more fat, what areas I want to tighten more. So for example, in this area along the jowl, I want to treat higher with more fat and higher temperature for longer periods. And then in this part in the neck, I'm going to treat very safely just for the lines and the wrinkles. So you can really customize this treatment to the patient exactly depending upon what they look like and what their contours look like. And because it's tightening it in 3 dimensions, you're going to get a very even natural looking result. It's not going to look pulled in any direction. It's going to look just tightened the way it would when she was younger. ThermiSmooth uses the Thermi technology platform to deliver the energy transcutaneously or through the skin. This allows for an area to be smoothed out without injections or more invasive technology. So the ThermiSmooth procedure is where we basically heat up the area around the eyes. What I've done here is mapped out the nerve. This will just gently heat up the area that we're treating. And then I'm going to go and use the ThermiTight machine over here to lift her brow up. So it's really, as the ThermiSmooth is as simple as just warming up the area and having it tighten the skin without any infiltrative anesthesia, so meaning no bruising. ThermiRaise is using this same energy in order to raise the brow, and doing this by targeting the nerves and muscles that raise the brow, similar to what Botox would do. Lastly, one of the interesting applications of this technology is using it for hyperhidrosis or excessive sweating under the arms. This is called ThermiDry, but it's again using this technology to diminish the amount of sweating. So similar to a long-lasting Botox effect that you can have in that area.